A big screen TV originally was listed at $900 and sold for $540. What was the percent of discount? Okay, so let me read that one more time so we got it all straight. A big screen TV originally was listed at $900 and sold for $540. What was the percent of discount? All right, so let's talk about this problem a little bit. Let's see what we've got going here. We started at $900 and we're going to sell for $540. So what we need to know first of all is how much money are we actually saving, because that's what the discount is. How much money are we not going to have to pay? All right, that's what we want to find, is what is the percent of the discount? Not percent of what we got left over, but discount. And by the way, you say, well, what do we put that over? We put that out of the $900. Well, all that blah, blah, blah. Let's set up a nice little percent problem, because that's what it is. Let's look at our part and over our base. And we're going to see if we can figure out what percent over 100 that's going to do for us, all right? Now, first things first, we got to figure out what's going on in our part and base. This is simple. The part is where we're going. The base is where we start from, and then we've got this percent that we're going to fill in the blank with, okay? Now, folks, let me first off set you straight on this. 540 is not the part, okay? The part is how much actually did we save. We sold this thing for $540, so we've got to work backwards a little bit. Woo, not that far backwards. How about it? Let's see what 900 minus that 540 is going to give us. That's the first thing we've got to do. That's the discount. And according to my calculations, let's check it out here. Let's do a little borrowing. That'll be, how about 89? Or how about 8 and 10 here, all right? Don't need to go to 89. That'll get us kind of crazy here. But we can do a 6, and you know what? We've got a 3. So it looks like $360 is your savings on that. That sounds like a Black Friday moment to me, all right, where you start going out and doing all that great Christmas shopping and stuff. Let's see. We're going to put $360. That's our part that we're dealing with. Our base, where we all started from, was a $900 TV set, all right? We're going to figure it out. Ooh, what is that percent? What is that percent of discount? Because we're going to be at a percent over 100. I'm going to call that X, all right? Just lack of not knowing any better, all right? Let's cross multiply. Let's see what's going to happen here. So we're going to get 900X equaling to, y'all can let my bottom third go out of there. Thank you, guys. You're doing so good today. And we've got 3 zeros to multiply. Ooh, 36 times 1. I'm getting 36,000 on that, okay? Because we got to count all those zeros. 1, 2, 3. We take 360 times 100, all right? And what happens, then we're going to divide by this 900. And that should give us, nice stuff on the left, it gives us an X, all right? On the right, the zeros, some of them are canceling out, not all of them, but we can divide 9 into 36. It'll go 4 times, and it looks like we've got an extra 0 to play with. So our answer here looks to be 40%. Again, we can lose those zeros, and divide 9 into 360. And that'll give us the 40. And it is a percent. It is a percent. Now, if you want to go back and check it out, you can take that 900 times and change that to a decimal, 4/10. And that would give you 360. Then you can subtract it back from your 900, and it'll get you back to 540. So the problem all works together. There's your percent of discount. That's a pretty good savings, folks. Almost half, 40%, all right?
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.